We just saw the first turkey of the day. Zach's got one down about, I don't know, across the woods a ways. Him and Ross went down there, and Corey, Dad, and I sat here, and my dad just moved over there somewhere. So we just saw a nice turkey walk down the ridge, but he saw us before we saw him, unfortunately. He was a silent Tom. Corey wants to shoot one of the decoys, but I wouldn't let him. Don't run away from your feelings, Richard. Richard, that sure is a pretty girl down there. Hey Richard, were you watching Spectrovision? Who's your favorite little rascal? Is it Alfalfa? Or is it Spanky? Boy, that sure is a good looking girl over there. I bet she dates one of the Yankees. Come on, Corey, you gotta have your interview here. Turn around so I can see you. If you turn around, I can see your face. What? You're a turkey. There's no turkeys in this woods. What are you talking about? Corey's just jealous because his girlfriend got taken by that Jake down there. Yep. And there comes Daddy-O. He don't got no turkeys either. What are we ever gonna do? Corey's scared of the camera.
I got the Realtree Pro Series backpack here out turkey hunting. Didn't go so well this morning. I think Corey was moving around a little too much. Something about snuggies or crotch bite or something, I don't know. It's always an excuse. Yeah.
What were his exact words?
Something about crotch, butt crack burning or something, I don't know. I don't think there's any turkeys around. Our superior calling skills would have gotten something in here.
Corey, show us your new gloves. Wow, isn't that some cool camouflage?
Throw one in the leaves. Watch it disappear.
Where'd it go?
Now how are you going to find them? Gone.
I'll never find them again.
Yeah.
So tell us how it happened, Zach.
Well, I was sitting there, and I was looking over there, listening to birds, and my dad said, Zach, there's turkey. I look, and I didn't see him, but I guess my dad said there was, so I just waited. And then all of a sudden, he came up from the pine tree up over there. He came down over here.
That big pine tree?
Yep, that big one over there.
Right up there?
Down here, and I shot him where all those feathers are over there.
Oh.
24 yards.
Oh.
We got him in, and he was coming. He would have came right to you.
Right there he shot him.
And then,
And there he is.
oh, I was just,
How big's his beard?
Not very big.
yeah,
Just a small guy.
I didn't,
Oh, that's not bad.
His head's gotten blue.
Yeah. How about his spurs? What do they look like? Yeah. Good spurs on him too.
Yeah, I didn't talk to do it. I thought he was
26 yards.
well, I never heard them call for a while. I actually heard a pickup lead, so I thought maybe that still might have been them. And then started calling, all of a sudden it showed up. It was weird.
And earlier we had some pretty weird encounters with owls.
Man, did you hear the owls going at it?
Over there, just two of them just started going in and all of a sudden sounded like a crow. They were like freaking out. It was pretty weird. Then when that turkey, after I shot my turkey, he was sitting behind that tree and a squirrel come running up from all the way over there and sat on that log right next to me. And he started hissing at me and my turkey and didn't know what to think, and then he ran away.
Hissing at you?
Yeah, he's like,
Just seen a black squirrel.
Yeah.
he was like silver. Or that one was gray, but there's another one that was like silver, almost white.
The black one I saw was mad because I was messing with his homies.
How are you doing that?
They're going,
Oh,
they're going by them, too.